In my previous video, I shared a strategy to start a faceless AI YouTube channel for the World Cup. And if you want to hijack the massive wave of World Cup traffic happening right now, you need to stop making the same automated slop as everyone else. In my last video, I gave you the master prompt for infinite viral video ideation. Today, we are taking those ideas and mapping them across 3 distinct visual tiers, scaling from a rapid 5-minute workflow you can launch tonight, an artistic 2D graphic novel style, up to a premium-grade hybrid documentary system that locks in viewer retention for 15 minutes straight. At each level, I am going to give you an exact visual style master prompt to completely crack the code. Let's start with the absolute easiest. Level 1. Level 1 is your shortcut for hijacking breaking tournament news, insane match drama, or controversial rule changes the absolute second they trend. While other creators are wasting 3 hours waiting for AI video clips to render, you can dominate the search results by using a minimalist stickman explainer style. You do not need full video motion to pull in 500,000 views. Clean, high-contrast still images are actually better for explaining complex topics simply. Just take a look at this channel. It's doing exactly that. For this workflow, our engine is Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow because it generates perfectly clean, isolated assets instantly with zero rendering lag. To guarantee your video doesn't look amateur, you need a master prompt that acts as your personal creative director and storyboard artist. Instead of writing random descriptions, this prompt forces the AI to break down your script sentence by sentence, comma by comma, and output a perfectly synchronized, frame-by-frame image asset sheet. When you paste this prompt, the AI will ask you for your script. Once it has the script, it will start its work. The first reason this prompt works is the strict 1-to-1 pacing rhythm. It contains a critical instruction that forces the AI to parse your script at every single punctuation mark. Every period and comma gets its own dedicated image prompt, creating a rapid, snappy editing rhythm where a new visual hits the screen every 2 seconds to lock in viewer retention. It will give a batch of 20 image prompts to keep the prompts detailed, and you have to tell the AI to continue. If you want the next batch, now copy and paste the image prompts to Google Flow. It solves the character consistency problem that ruins most AI channels. The prompt enforces strict structural guidelines for Nano Banana 2, demanding an ultra-minimal stick figure where the body consists only of thin, single-pixel-style black lines, a perfectly round white head, and massive wide-open circular eyes with flat color fills. Because these exact parameters are repeated in every batch of 20 prompts, your main character stays identical from frame 1 to frame 100. And you also get your exact script parsed out alongside copy and paste prompts, giving you a flawless pipeline to build a complete viral asset pack in under 5 minutes. And don't forget to rename the images sequentially to make your editing process much easier. Once you have all the images ready, drop them into your timeline and start arranging them to make them perfectly synced to your voiceover. And also, I use Gemini TTS for creating the voiceover. Also add the slow zoom effect to some images to make it more engaging. Here are the final result.
You wake up every day believing that the rules of society are designed to protect the righteous and punish the wicked. You assume that in the arena of global sports, fair play is an absolute self-correcting law of nature. When someone cheats, you expect the universe to instantly exact its moral toll. You watch games comforting yourself with the idea that integrity always triumphs over raw malice. But this comforting baseline is a lie. On a freezing night in Johannesburg, the entire global order of athletic morality was systematically dismantled in a fraction of a second. A single player looked into the eyes of destiny and realized that the rules are not a moral code, but a transaction. He proved that if you are willing to pay the immediate, devastating price of a penalty, you can purchase a second chance at life. This was not a simple act of desperation, but a cold, calculated betrayal of the sport's unwritten soul. By breaking the ultimate rule, he did not face eternal exile. Instead, his defiance transformed him into an immortal national hero, while leaving an entire continent scarred by the injustice of survival.
Now that you have your level 1 asset pack ready to dominate breaking news trends, it's time to level up. If you want to move away from quick informational shorts and start building a deeply loyal, highly engaged subscriber base that returns for longer videos, you need to step up your visual game. Welcome to Level 2, the 2D graphic novel and animated storytelling style. While Level 1 is built for raw speed, Level 2 is designed for atmosphere, emotion, and deep dive football history. If you are covering dark football myths, incredible player origin stories, or legendary World Cup rivalries, this is the exact aesthetic that commands viewer authority. The massive advantage here is that it bridges the gap perfectly. It looks like a beautifully animated custom cartoon. To pull this off without your characters shifting styles or looking like generic AI junk, you need open Google Flow again. Inside Google Flow, open a new project and set the generation type to image. Then paste your master visual style prompt. This prompt should describe the full art direction: flat vector character design, minimalist backgrounds, cinematic lighting, clean outlines, no copyrighted logos, no real player likenesses, and no messy details. Once the style is set, create your first main character. For example, an original underdog football player carrying his country into the World Cup. Describe his body type, uniform colors, hairstyle, expression, and posture, but keep him completely fictional. When the character looks good, save it into your Flow library. This is the key move. Once the character is saved, you can reuse him across different scenes and keep the look consistent. That consistency is what separates a professional animated video from random AI content. Now select the generated image and click Animate. Switch the generation type from image to video. This is where you turn a still character design into a cinematic scene. Do not write vague prompts like "make him move dramatically." Direct the scene like a filmmaker. Tell the camera what to do. Tell the character what to do. Tell the lighting what to do. Tell the environment what to do. And if you don't know anything, just upload the image into ChatGPT and ask it give you a detailed prompt based on what you want the animation to be like. For example, the player stands alone on the pitch at night, looking up at the stadium lights. The camera slowly pushes in from behind, then arcs slightly to reveal his face. His jersey moves subtly in the wind. The lights flicker softly above him. His expression shifts from nervous to determined. The animation stays in the same clean 2D flat vector documentary style with smooth motion and cinematic pacing. That is a usable animation prompt because it gives the AI a clear action, a clear emotion, and a clear camera movement. Now repeat this across the entire script. When the script talks about pressure, show the player standing in a dark tunnel. When it talks about national expectations, show a massive abstract crowd. When it talks about collapse, show a lonely player kneeling under cold stadium lights. After the clips are generated, export them and bring them into your editing timeline. This is where the video becomes premium. Do not just place clip after clip under the voiceover. That will feel flat. Start with perfectly arranging your clips to sync your voiceover. As the video continues, use slow zooms, subtle camera movement, stadium ambience, soft whooshes, low crowd noise, and a dark cinematic music bed. The voiceover should carry the story, but the visuals should keep the viewer emotionally locked in. Here are the results.
For 64 years, Wales waited for one thing. Not a trophy, not a golden generation, not some impossible football dynasty. Just one World Cup appearance, that was it. One chance to see their flag on the biggest stage in football. But year after year, tournament after tournament, the answer was always the same. Wales were not going. Great players came and went. Ian Rush never made it, Ryan Giggs never made it, Mark Hughes never made it. Entire generations of Welsh fans grew up hearing stories about 1958, the last time their country had played at a World Cup. But for most of them, it felt less like history and more like a myth, something from another lifetime, something that belonged to their grandparents, not to them. And by 2022, it felt like the dream had almost become impossible. Wales had improved. They had reached the Euros. They had built a team with real belief. But the World Cup was different. The World Cup was the curse. The one mountain they could never climb.
But if you want to see what happens when we completely remove the limits and build a premium grade-style hybrid documentary that completely obliterates your competition, we have to talk about Level 3. If you want to completely remove the ceiling on your channel, scale your retention past 15 minutes, and build an elite brand that looks premium, you have to master Level 3. Welcome to the premium hybrid documentary style. This is the exact tier used by masterclass channels like Fern to break down the massive economic controversies and structural drama behind the current tournament. While amateur creators are risking their channels by ripping copyrighted match footage that gets them instantly demonetized, Level 3 utilizes a flawless, 100% copyright-safe asset system blending three distinct elements: custom, low-poly 3D art, metaphorical AI concept frames, and clean, data-driven motion graphics. Unlike the rapid-fire sentence-by-sentence editing of our stickman workflow, Level 3 is a masterclass in slow burn pacing. The visual rhythm shifts drastically. Instead of cutting every 2 seconds, a single complex asset stays on screen for an entire narrative block, usually 2 to 3 full sentences, allowing the camera movement or data visualization room to breathe and completely immersing your viewer into a cinematic atmosphere. To orchestrate this high-end pipeline without losing your mind in the editing bay, you need our Level 3 Visual Master prompt. This prompt transforms the AI into a technical director, forcing it to analyze your script in thematic blocks and generate precise copy and paste assets for each, which are image and video prompts. Note that you will not get video prompts for some scenes because it's an image-only asset. Now start copy-pasting the image prompts into Google Flow. Then after all images are done, click Animate to start turning them into videos. I also tried to animate them in Meta AI, but the quality was very poor. First, it controls your narrative storytelling through a dedicated, low-poly 3D engine. When your script covers human elements, like a family priced out of tickets or fans approaching a venue, the prompt forces the AI to output minimalist geometric polygonal models with sharp spotlighting, long dramatic shadows, and flat matte textures. By enforcing completely faceless character models, it creates a highly stylized, premium signature look that keeps your channel's branding perfectly identical across the entire video. Second, it visualizes complex, corrupt, or abstract themes where no real imagery exists through a metaphorical AI frame controller. If your script talks about corporate greed or backroom legal deals, the prompt generates hyper-realistic cinematic photography with heavy industrial atmosphere, fog, and low-key lighting. Finally, it handles your data through explicit motion graphic blueprints. Whenever your script drops ticket prices, local tax figures, or host city maps, the prompt stops describing characters and outlines clean paper texture canvas layouts with vector node lines that connect text elements dynamically. It gives you the exact technical blueprints to use color masks and shape layers to light up specific stadium seating sections or drawline graphs frame by frame. Then after every assets are done, don't forget to rename your assets sequentially before downloading. Now you drop these into your timeline and start arranging the scenes to perfectly sync your voiceover and simulate subtle handheld camera shakes or slow tracking slides effect, giving the illusion of premium live-action cinema without a single copyright risk. Editing the documentary is a bit labor-intensive, but you gotta do it to actually make high-quality content. Here are the results.
Imagine the suffocating heat of an industrial oven and the distinct chemical stench of burning carbon fiber. It is 2013 in South Yorkshire. A 23-year-old factory worker is hauling raw materials, manufacturing medical splints for disabled individuals during grueling 12-hour shifts. The manual labor is slowly destroying his back. On weekends, he plays amateur football for 30 quid a match. Oh, and he is doing all of this while wearing a police-issued electronic monitoring tag on his ankle, the fallout of an assault conviction after he defended a deaf friend from bullies in a pub brawl. During away fixtures, he routinely has to be substituted at the 60-minute mark, vaulting over the stadium fence in his muddy kit and diving into the back of his parents' car, just to beat a strict 6:30 p.m. court-mandated curfew. Fast forward to today. This exact same man holds a Premier League winners medal, an FA Cup, a Golden Boot, and a Guinness World Record.
Level 3 changes the game because it forces you to think like a true director. You are merely collecting highly targeted pieces, generating stylized art here, building a motion graphic there, and tying it all together with a slow cinematic camera drift in your editor. It shifts your channel from a standard automated side hustle into a high-authority documentary brand. If you want to copy and paste all 3 of these visual style master prompts along with my full video ideation pipeline, I've put the entire blueprint down in the description below for free. Now, you have the exact playbook. You can dominate raw speed with level 1, build a heavy narrative brand with level 2, or construct an elite documentary channel with level 3. Choose the tier that matches your editing style, pick a trending topic from the current match week, and drop your video before the competition even figures out what happened. If you found this breakdown valuable, slam that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.